Go ahead, Troy. Here we go, Dragon's Tail.
All right.
March 2019.
March 2019. Beautiful day.
March 17th.
Oh, March 17th.
Yep, March 17th, 2019.
2019.
There we go.
After having a great breakfast at Topeka Lodge.
So this first start, kind of a little entry, just kind of, you think, oh, it's not much. And here you'll see in a few minutes, you're just going to be in, it's left, right, left, right, left, right. It's awesome. Just got to ride your speed, that's the key. Crossing over into Tennessee.
All right. Back tires feeling good.
Oh, yeah.
Man, what a beautiful morning. We got the sun.
Whoa. Big pothole.
Yeah.
Damn. Why would they not get that? They got it fixed. That was bad. It's in a bad spot for a motorcyclist, too.
Yeah, they may not have had the time to, man, with all the terrible weather.
True.
Can you adjust your mic?
Yeah.
Thanks. So far, it's pretty good, but
I moved it a little more. Man, it's gorgeous.
yeah.
The weather is perfect.
Yeah, it is. I got nobody in sight behind me, so we're doing great.
Oh, yeah, we're hitting it. No, we're hitting it nice because you get up here and do it early. Like in the summertime, man, it's just packed. And what happens is you get behind somebody slow on this, and it really blows.
Yeah.
So when you can ride it naturally like this, just nice and smooth at your own pace, it's so nice.
Man, this is just beautiful.
Ooh, little bump right there. Did you feel that bump?
Now I went outside of it.
Oh, easy, Troy. See what I mean? Jay went down in that stuff once. He had to run off the road. He got too hot once.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, I could see, how a little loss of focus or a little muddled mind might be tragic.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, especially if you're really trying to run it like you.
Yeah.
Some people come here and see these guys race on it. And it's more dangerous. The other guys are more of a danger.
Right.
Than you are on a Harley, But these guys are riding them on these fast bikes. I understand the adrenaline, but man.
Right.
There's there's deaths up here every weekend.
Yep. Shoot, well, I mean, just up on Blood, man, you see how many accidents there are.
Yep.
Now we're going at a great pace.
Yeah, this is perfect. It's all the fast shit. The end of it, when you get up here at the end, Mike, is really cool. Wait till you see the photo op.
All right.
It's awesome. Overlooking the Fontana. Slaying the dragon. Woo! That comes up hot. See, they get in here, they'll get on some of them these off cameras. The Softail will flex, you know.
Yeah.
Our bike's flexing the curves a little bit. I haven't seen a photo place yet. Oh, there might be one coming up now. I wonder if they're out here today. Yeah, they might not be out here because it's not crowded enough yet.
Man, this new rigging with the pack is perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, loving it.
That's the way you want to do it with your solo. And then the ideal thing is, Mike, behind when you go long trip, behind that on your rack, you put a cooler.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
So you're leaned into your pack, you got your cooler, it's right there, it's awesome. Every day, wake up, you got your pack. Man, it's gorgeous in here today. Woo! I don't know if I've ever hit it like this before. Well, other than last summer, I came back the other way when I was up in Tennessee on our trip, and I came back down it that day, and it was I did get lucky with no traffic, but this is gorgeous.
Yeah.
We're going to do a quick 22 miles, baby, 22.
And it is nice with the trees not being back yet because you get to see more of the mountains.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure it's like going through a tunnel.
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever...
In the summer.
I really don't know if I've ever been here at this time of year. On the trail. Usually it's the summertime when I've been up here. It's just full of, you know, bikes. Woo! Burning some good fuel. See, that's why I was saying maybe waiting on the gas, because normally when you pull up, Mike, there's like, it's full of people waiting on gas.
Right.
So, but like, yeah, that was awesome. No one there. We got less crowds are always better.
Yeah.
I like it. We're fixing to have a beautiful day, man.
Yeah. Well, hell, what a beautiful night, man.
Have you been on the Cherry Hollow before in a car or anything?
You know, I'm not sure. I've driven a lot through up here.
Whoa. Whoa, T-Roy. T-Roy he was trying to get his photo out. T-Roy. Don't get your photo off. We'll give him some shit about that when we get done. He was smiling for the camera, literally. Now, there's not a lot of straightaways, Mike.
Now I'm good with it.
Not a lot of straightaways.
Hell yeah, man. Bike is running great. Yeah. There you go, running it in a diesel dually.
Yeah. Surprised Troy isn't scraping as much.
It's what?
I'm surprised Troy isn't scraping. He was scraping yesterday against it.
Oh, yeah.
He was sparking it. I saw several sparks coming off his bike.
His floorboard sits so low to the ground.
Well, that's how my Heritage sits. When yeah. But that's why I like the forward controls.
Yeah. I have not scraped on this yet.
Oh, we'll have another photo op coming.
All right, well, watch out for Jay. Or
T-Roy.
T-Roy.
T-Roy. Woo! No, maybe not. Yeah. There we go. Woo! What do you think? We've done about 317 yet of them yet? Or 318. Is it 318? I think it's 318 curves.
I don't know.
317. I think it's 318 curves and 11 miles.
We've done a few. I don't think we've done that many.
Not yet. We got a little longer yet. We're getting close. Woo! Yeah, this is definitely a road you want to stay in your lane on.
Yeah.
In terms of...
Yeah. Did you hear the story that the lady at the front desk was telling us last night about this road?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. In the 70s, it was a train track, or parts of it were a train track, and they paved it, turned it into a road. She said that when she was a kid, driving on the road, because it had settled, the car would be bouncing down the road because of where the train tracks were.
Right.
And then I guess, was it in the 90s, they turned it into the Dragon's Tail.
That's really cool. She's a twisty one today, boy. Yeah. See what I mean? I always tell you, you can ride the Dragon Tail, you can ride any road up here, man. And there's a lot of roads that are honestly probably better motorcycling roads in terms of not as much work.
Yeah, yeah.
Like obviously like the Parkway, but it's neat. It's neat to say you've been on it, know what it's about.
Yeah.
It is unique. And what you're going to find out is it's totally different running it back the other way. It's I don't know why, but it's different.
We got a truck, but he's not really on us, but
Yeah, you can. But, whew, this is where it gets tight right here. Woo! Trying not to pressure Troy too much.
yeah.
I think I'm giving him enough space. I don't like to get on somebody's ass.
No, I know. I've been kind of up on yours, but
Yeah, it don't bother me if somebody behind me. I just don't get too close sometimes. Woo, easy, Troy. Easy, buddy. We're almost to the end. This part's really cool through here because it's a little bit longer stretch, sweepers.
yeah, a little more throttle.
Yep. This is the kind of, I love these kind of, tight roads are a lot of work, And, whoa, especially on these bigger bikes. Like Dave's bike's heavier on the front end, big time. You just about slayed it. Perfect, man. No traffic. First time. This magical run, Mike.
Yeah, man.
Wait till the view right up here.
It's the 100K mile juju that we're getting, man. Your dad's giving us a beautiful day.
Yes, he has. Yes, he has. Yeah, like I said, always look. Yep, there's the end. Look, check that out.
Yeah.
We're going to pull over on the left down here.
All right.
You just slayed it, Mike.
Yes, sir. What an awesome run, man.
Almost, that looks like Bob's bike almost.
Yeah, it does, actually.
I know, yeah.
Nah, that's newer. Much newer.
Yeah. Had that same color tone at first. There you go. Get your picture. Huh? Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, no,
Yeah.
I told him.
Yeah, that was
Yeah, we have it on video. I said, oh, it's easy, see, Roy. Because I said, he's literally looking at the camera or something. I was. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He did a little work. I said, oh, shit.
all right.
That's awesome. He got